This is Aba. Welcome to the commercial city of Abia State, God's own state. Yes, you can talk about Abia State without talking about Aba. And from Aba, a lot of things goes out to other countries and every other part of Nigeria. As the popular saying goes, this one na Aba made. If you're new to our channel, you're welcome to Arlin TV. Do want to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. We are live in the beautiful city of Aba this morning, and this is Osusioma flyover, one of the famous flyover in Abia State. Yes, you can't be in Abia State and don't know Osusioma flyover. It's the most popular flyover in Abia State. I think the only flyover in Abia State. So this is Enugu Port Harcourt Expressway. Yeah, straight down takes you straight to Port Harcourt. But we are going into Aba town to have an entire view of the city. So we're going to be taking you on an awesome ride all over the city. Yes, guys. So we just entered Aba. This is the Aba-Owerri road now that we are driving in. And all of these portions are all good and they have been done. It used to be very terrible around here. If you know about back then, you know that all of this side, before the old administration left, that was when some of all these things were completed. The road was terrible. You know, driving on this part was a very terrible thing. We used to find another way to navigate into Aba then, but not anymore. Looking all clean, looking all good. And like I mentioned, if you have not seen our video of Umuahia, I said one thing I must commend Abia State for is the level of cleanliness that was brought into the state by the new administration. Yeah, every morning you find people who just come around, clean the road, ensure the roads are looking good and nice, which is a very beautiful thing to see. So this is Aba. I'm going to be showing you the beautiful sides of Aba today, showing you everything you need to see, taking you on MCC Road, taking you on Arara Market Road, taking you to Ugbo Hills, and just showing you some beautiful drone clips all around the place that just makes Aba so beautiful. To me, in my opinion, Aba is the most planned city in Abia State. Yes, no cap, guys. Yeah, I know there are other towns, other communities within, like Abriba, like Ohofia, but to me, Aba is one of the most planned city I have been to in Abia State. Yeah, structurally looking good, has a very wide road system compared to Umuahia, you know. So this is the Arara Market Road that we are currently on now. So we're going to be driving it down a little, showing you guys all about the road. Currently the road is dualized. Yeah, right from last administration, work was done here, because going to Arara Market before was a terrible experience. And if you think of coming here, the headache you have alone will make you not to come to this market. But the feeling is not anymore, because the roads are all looking all good and nice. We have a detailed video of Arara main market. Here showing you the current projects going on around there. So this drive might not take us to Arara main market, just to show you guys a glimpse of what the road looks like. So you can go check out the video on Arara main market and have a view of the projects going on around there. As you can see, one of the remarkable things I noticed in Aba now is the street lights, all standing, all looking clean, and the road all painted again. So this is MCC right now that we are currently navigating into. So just showing you a glimpse. So this is one of the roads that were newly constructed as well, all looking clean and nice. So, and the street lights all looking nice as well. I don't know if it's working at night, but we did not do a night drive around this part. But if you have seen our video on nightlife in Aba, we drove through the Arara main market road, the Owerri roadside, went towards a little towards the Umuokpoji houses, and all the street lights are working. In fact, it just gave Aba a different look at night. And what was it called? Okigwe Road as well, looking awfully bright. So you can go check out our video on nightlife in Aba. I believe you'll find it a bit interesting, and to just give you a glimpse of what is currently happening around the town. Yes, Aba has been in the news all because of the 24 power light that they said has come to Aba. But hear it from me that is based here, I can categorically say that there is an improved light system. Yes, that is the testament from the people I have interacted with in town, and I also experienced a very good light throughout the night sleeping in my hotel. Yes, there was no blink of light at all, and the hotel generator was not on, so that was fully NEPA and it worked throughout the night. But again, the 24 hours light they talked about, they have not really experienced it in some certain areas of town, so if you've seen our video of Ugbo Hills and Abikabe, all of those areas, you see that I had an interaction with a fully resident member of the town, and he testified there is an improved light, but there is no 24 hours light in the city yet. So I don't know if you are staying in Aba, you are based in Aba, you share a different opinion from this, do let us know in the comment section. And if your area is experiencing the 24 hours light already, also do let us know. We all know they are still fine-tuning the process, generating more powers to see how it can get to all areas. So believe with time there will be a much more stable light than what it used to be. If you are still seeing this video and you are not yet a subscriber, kindly do well to click the subscribe button to be part of our big family, and also turn on notification bell. We'll be glad to have you join our family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love, your support for our channel. This is still the Area Market Road, so just giving you a glimpse of everything. One of the beautiful thing about the city is that they have quite a lot of markets. Beyond Area, they have the tenant market, and other markets are there. So they have a different market for clothing, different market for shoemaking. So whatever you are looking for, they have it available in Aba. So I can categorically say literally all my outfits are made from Aba. I can't remember when last I walked into a boutique to buy clothes. All my tailors are resident here, and I think I love what they produce from me. And I actually wear made in Nigerian shoes. Actually, my palm slippers, they are all looking great. They all are made here, and also very, very much affordable, so they can craft it to your perfect size. Just contact them. If you have that bulk a production you want to do, look for a contact in the bar, and you will be amazed at what they are going to produce for you. So we are just closer to the market area. We're making a turn quickly to other part of town. So this is the Area main market road, like I mentioned, and it's a dual lane system, and all of these portions you are riding on now, oh god, your cars cannot get here in time past, but the experience has so changed that we've forgotten about the bad old days. So this is us now heading towards Ugbo Hills axis, just to give you guys a glimpse of what Ugbo Hills look like. And the people in Aba who I spoke with believes that this is the most populous area in the city. Like, the residents around here are much, and they have quite some good and nice axis around Ugbo Hills. I just like the view from here. If you look at the screen, it's as if it was drizzling, so I was not opportune to really give you guys a very fine drone view around here. If not, the drone would have been up, because I love the way I can literally see the entire city from this hill. So this is Ugbo Hill axis. I learned a lot of persons are based here. So if you are seeing the video and you once lived around here or you are stayed around here, do let us also know in the comment section. So we'll be taking it down to Obi-Cab, the axis, and just like that, moving around town and show you guys everywhere you need to know. This side of town, approaching Obi-Cab now, it's looking a little patchy, so much sound on the road, so I don't know why. So I believe work should get to this axis a little bit more, so we'll keep hope alive, we'll keep our expectations high that a lot of things are going to change. I learned there was a serious market around here before, causing serious traffic, but they've been pushed inside. So it's a very big market. They've been pushed inside and the road is congested and free, as you can see. So let's hope that work is going to come here pretty soon, so that this roundabout will be all free and good. So let's take it a little down where we can get to the new Umuahia road in the city of Aba. So it has been an awesome experience. I look forward to your comments if you are from Abia State. I look forward to your comments if you've ever visited here before. We'll be looking forward to all of that. I learned a lot of investments are currently coming into the state. A lot of companies are siting their factory here already. So we are looking forward to all of these developments as time progresses. So our eyes are on Aba, so I will be checking out Aba every now and then. I will say again, you can go check our video catalog on Abia State. We have a whole lot of video about Abia State, some awesome places you can visit, Amakama and the War Museum, all of those places, Ojuku's Bunker. They are all in Abia State. Just check out our video catalog and you'll be amazed at the things you will see in Aba. So I'm expecting that you go do that. Leave a comment on each of the video as you see them. I believe you will love them. And even your kids as well, coming to the War Museum is going to just bring back the memory of the wall and just give you a refresher mind about all what transpired and the equipment they were able to make and manufacture around here. So great experience I had at the War Museum and also at Ojuku's Bunker. So you can check out the video, leave your thoughts in the comment section and tell us the history about Aba as well from that place. So we are heading towards the new Umuahia road now in the city of Aba. So clean road, nice drive. A lot of requests has come for this road. I believe you are excited to see how the road is looking. So nothing really much happening around here. It's just the clean road and nothing much, and I think it's still a very much developing area. A lot of persons are not yet moved towards this direction of town, so we're looking for a space to turn, because that is all that there is to the new Umuahia road. So if you are still seeing the video and you are not yet a subscriber, I will appeal again, do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification there to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. Again, one thing I must also commend the current administration for is the removal of a lot of touts from the town, because there used to be serious touts all around Aba. I think it's a good thing to see that all of those things have been removed entirely from the town. Again, our eyes are really on the construction work going on the Aba Port Harcourt road. We can't wait for that road to be completed, because it will make a whole lot of sense. It will just help our journey to be very, very short and brief if we are driving to Port Harcourt, because now we have to go through a chase. Sometimes you hear a chase is bad. Today you have to navigate through Owerri, so it's quite a very stressful journey going to Port Harcourt sometimes, especially when the HA axis is bad. Using Owerri is a far longer route compared to this Port Harcourt Aba road. So we are really eager to see the completion of this road, and we are most excited that the work is currently going on and going on smoothly well. So we are looking forward to that, because you just shorten your journey and make it easier. So if anything takes me to that direction, be rest assured we'll be bringing you guys the update. And if you want to see any updates around Abia State that we've not captured in our video catalog, you can also let us know in the comment section, and we'll look forward to that. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me around this beautiful city, the commercial hub of Abia State. I believe you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the city, you like the view of the city. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. And for first time visiting our channel, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to be part of our family. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We look forward to your comments. We look forward to your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. We'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.